Hey there, Licknriffers! What I'm holding here is the new Lava Studio amp. And I've decided to do an unboxing video because this thing is revolutionary and I want you to see my genuine reaction to this. Okay, we'll be discovering this together. Alright, so here's the packaging, and immediately what you can see is the screen. It has a screen, okay? A full tablet size touch screen. Alright, so the first thing that I see is how beautifully this thing is built. Okay, so here we go. Now the touch screen, the full-size touch screen, is currently held together with a little bit of masking tape. Now what is this? This is the stand that you can get, and this is also beautifully designed. Yeah, it's got this felt bottom so it doesn't move around, and it's also held in place by rubber here. Now you can extend it if you want. Okay, you can. Okay, I'm not gonna do it right now, but you can screw it out and you can extend it so you can sit on a chair and it's right at the height you're comfortable with. Okay, you can also bludgeon someone to death with this. This is steel, solid steel. But I'm pretty sure that you're not gonna do that. Okay, let's turn this thing on. Let's see what it can do. Ooh. Okay, welcome to the Lava Studio. I've connected to my Wi-Fi, and the amp performed a system update. I brought my guitar, and now we can check out the Lava Studio amp. All right, so I got curious and I perused the booklet a little bit. Okay, English. All right. Welcome to the Lava Studio plugged in mode. All right. Okay, this is the lower end of the volume. Get started. No preset yet. Discover a tone or build one yourself. Library. Alright. Electric, bass, acoustic, alternative rock, expert specific, experimental and creative. Let's go with modern funk. Classic rock. Vintage funk. Alt rock rhythm. Modern jazz. And this is Sunset Loom. Clean funk pop. Okay, this is my type of tone. Okay, let's turn it down a little bit. Alright. Backing tracks, improvs. Ooh. Loops, respond improvs. Yeah, not. Okay, this is what I was looking for. Okay, the controls, where you can actually control everything. So I changed the channel from vintage, okay, to hot rod go to I want to check out the mini DAW. Okay, so let's start a blank project. Add track. All right, let's record. All right. Okay, obviously I'm gonna have to learn how to operate this thing, but right out of the box, this is insane. It's a studio, the Lava Studio. They aptly named it. Okay, so I'm gonna get a room with this thing, and you're gonna get yourself one because it's awesome. So thank you, Lava, for letting me showcase your new amp, your new studio amp, the portable studio. This is just my first minutes with this, and already I've got a ton of ideas what to do with this. All right, so have fun, and I'll see you the next video. Bye for now.